In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a Mailchimp sign-up form. First, open your Mailchimp account and head to your dashboard. From here, we'll start a brand new form. Look for the Create button at the top of the interface and click it. This opens the creation panel where Mailchimp groups all the tools for building marketing assets. Next, select Sign Up Form. This tells Mailchimp you want to capture email subscribers, and it will guide you through the simplest path to get that done. You'll now choose how your form will appear. If you don't have a website or you want the easiest setup, go with the Sign Up landing page. It doesn't require a website, and you'll get a shareable link you can post anywhere. If you do have a website and want the form to appear automatically when visitors arrive, choose Pop-up Form. If you prefer a form that sits inside a specific page on your site, pick Embedded Form. Choose the option that best matches your goal and where your audience is most likely to join. Once you've picked your method, click Build It. This opens the editor where you'll customize the look and content of your form. Start by adding a clear, inviting title, something like Join Our Newsletter. Keep it straightforward so people know exactly what they're signing up for. Make sure the email field is included and set as required, since that's the essential piece of information. If it fits your needs, you can add an optional first name field to personalize future emails, but avoid asking for too much upfront. Short forms convert better. Update your button text to make the call to action unmistakable. Subscribe or join now both work well. Choose the one that matches the tone of your brand and the promise of your newsletter. Before moving on, select the audience where new contacts should be added. Pick the list that aligns with the purpose of this form, such as a group focused on project news. This ensures your subscribers are organized correctly from day one. When everything looks good, click Save or Continue to lock in your changes. Take a quick moment to scan for typos and confirm the fields are set the way you want. Finally, click Publish. Your form is now live. If you chose a landing page, you'll have a link you can share wherever your audience engages with you. If you picked a pop-up or embedded form, it's ready to appear on your site according to your chosen method. That's it! Your Mailchimp sign-up form is ready to grow your audience.